So when your tree arrives, it will come in a gigantic cardboard box. You're going to want to unbox all of these pieces just by sitting down and going through it. Next, you're going to need to assemble your tree stand. You want to just pull the two pieces to make them into a cross-like shape and then insert the bolts into the top holes. You'll then be able to insert the first part of that tree trunk or stalk in there with securing it down with those 3 bolts by tightening them, and then in the very top of this you'll be able to insert the second one. In the top of that you'll find another connector. You may need to remove like a little cap or something, but you'll be able to pop the top of your tree into place. You then want to match up the branches with the numbers on them and the numbers on the trunk. This tree here, which is the 7-foot one, goes all the way from number 1 down to number 8. So I made 8 different piles of the different branches of the tree, and I ended up fluffing them out individually and everything like that before I put them on. You can of course fluff out your branches when you put them on the tree, but the choice is entirely up to you. What I find easiest when branching out Christmas trees is so that all of the branches are actually pointing either flat all the way around. Think of it like a rainbow going around that main branch of the tree, just doing that, because then when you put all of them on layer by layer, they're all going to be going upwards, and then it's easier to kind of go back in and fluff them out. If you do find that you have some gaps, you can go back in, fluff it out, fill it out, bend them round. I'm sure you won't have that problem with this tree because seriously, there's so many branches on it. It is incredible.